In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit a check using the Truist mobile app. Let's get started with this straightforward process that will save you a trip to the bank. First, make sure your smartphone is within reach. Start by opening the Truist mobile app on your device. If you haven't already downloaded it, simply visit your app store. Once you've ensured the app is installed, tap to open it. Next, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your user ID and password, then click on the Sign In button. This step is crucial to access your account's features and proceed with the check deposit. Logging in securely ensures that your information is protected, so always double check that your user ID and the password are correct before proceeding. Once you're signed in, look for the deposit option on the home screen of the app. Click or tap on it. This will take you to the next step where you'll choose which account you'd like to deposit your check into. Simply select the account from the list provided. It's essential to select the correct account to ensure the funds go where you intend them to. With the account selected, you'll see an option to enter the amount. Type in the exact amount of your check. Double check this figure. Accuracy here is vital to avoid any complications later. Once you've verified the amount, click on Done. This confirms that you've entered the correct deposit amount and will allow you to proceed to the photographic part of the deposit. The next step is taking photos of your check. You'll first need to capture the front side of the check. Line it up within the provided guidelines on your screen and make sure the image is clear and all four corners are visible. Good lighting is key here, as it helps the app process your check more effectively. Now flip the check over and do the same for the back, making sure the endorsement line is visible. Once both sides are captured, you'll hit the final deposit button, confirming your deposit. The app will then process your check and you'll receive confirmation that the deposit was successful. This may take a moment, so give it a few seconds to finish. Congratulations, you've successfully deposited your check through the Truist mobile app without leaving the comfort of your home. Remember, you can always check your deposit status and history through the app for peace of mind. Thanks for watching and happy banking.